Well, good afternoon, everybody. How y'all doing? Pretty good here, and welcome to the channel. We're going to do a little mail time. Got a package in the mail, the P.O. box the other day, and we're going to open this up. I think I know who it's from, but I'm not positive, so got the knife ready. It's not ticking, so I think we're okay. Let's go ahead and see if I can get you set up so you can see. Okay, I'll get this out of the way, and I think we're ready. Let's go ahead and cut this open. Always have to be careful when I do this, just to make sure it doesn't cut into anything inside, if you know what I mean. All right, let's see here. It's wrapped quite nicely. We have a note in here. Oh my goodness, let's see. Make sure there's nobody's name on here. Okay, I'm gonna read the note to you here. I'm gonna read it rather quickly. It says, Rob, I thought I would send you a little item to welcome you to the Tundra family. They go between your driver and passenger seats and the console. One end goes over your seat belt attach point and then fit them in position. They are intended to keep things like pens, pencils, coins, etc. from falling down into what I call the hellhole. I know exactly what you mean. Also, I couldn't send you something and not Christa, so the small boxed item is for her. Hope you like them. My wife and I are driving our 08 to Ohio this summer. Would like to stop by and say hello. That would be cool. Here is my personal email. Don't give this out. I will not. Make sure nobody can see that. Take care, and thanks to you both for the YouTube videos. Stinger 45. Very cool, man. Thank you very much. I appreciate the note. And let's take a look. Let's see this box. This must be for Christa, so I will give this to her. I will not open this. And let's see. Oh wow. Check it out. Make sure, set that aside. Wow. Genuine Toyota. Check that out. That is very cool. Very cool, man. And it's a great idea. My problem is French fries. I dropped French fries. This is perfect. Absolutely perfect. Stinger, I thank you very much. This is fantastic, and we will have Christa take a look at the other box. Stay tuned. Okay, I've got Christa here beside me now, so she's going to open this box that was sent for her. I didn't open it, so
and this is
here she is. This is from Stinger.
Stinger.
Yeah.
It's very sweet.
It is, isn't it?
Got a half face going on over there. That's good.
Yeah, I got a half a head.
Yep, yep.
It says Neiman Marcus on it.
I know, it's a nice box.
Oh, a candle.
That's awesome.
You love the candles.
I do. These are awesome. I burn candles just about every day, so this is too cool.
Let me smell it.
That's too cool. Thank you so much.
Very nice.
Thank you very much.
Very cool.
Yes.
Very cool indeed.
I'm going to be setting this up right now.
The candle, and then I'm going to actually continue on. I'm going to go install these in the truck. You know what these are?
The seatbelt.
The seatbelt thing I told you. Yeah, they actually go over the seatbelt latch, I guess, where you stick it in, and then they sit beside you against the console on both sides to keep stuff from falling down in between the console and the seat. I think that's fantastic.
I have dropped things between the console and the seat so many times in so many different vehicles.
Me too. Usually it's French fries.
I've dropped money.
Oh, money's always good to find. But anyway, I'm going to continue on and go out and put these in the truck, so stay tuned. All right, I've made my way out here to the truck, as you can see here. And I brought the little, I don't even know what you call these things. Space taker uppers? I'm not sure, but isn't this cool? They say Toyota on them. This is just top notch. I really like this. But where they go is over the seatbelt latch here. There's a slit, you can see here, and it's very simple. Hopefully I can do this one-handed. I think I can. Goes over like so, and then just right here, and after you know you have them for a while, they'll come down a little bit, but they just go right here between the seat, and that is to keep junk from falling down in between the seats. And I may actually tuck it in there a little bit, I'm not sure, but we'll see how that goes. Fantastic idea. Let's go around to the other side, put the other one in. It's a long walk around this truck. It's a big truck. Okay. If I can open the door a little bit more. There we go. Let's get this one. Take it out. It's like a sausage in there. And like I said, they just, with this little slit here, you just go over the seat belt latch. Again, one-handed. Like so. And then I pull it back a little bit. And they may actually be another trick to this that I don't know. But anyway, what a fantastic idea. Sits right there on the edge. That's to keep stuff from falling down, and they will conform a little more once they're broken in, let's say. But what a great idea. What a great idea. Very cool. Anyway, I just wanted to get on here and do a quick little install on that. I think it's really kind of neat, so there you have it. Again, thanks to Stinger for sending me those. Those are really cool. There is another item that I got over the weekend, but it's actually from Edge Everyday, and he wanted me to open that on the live stream. So we're gonna wait on that. I think I know what it is, but I haven't opened it. We will open it live on Friday night, 8 o'clock on the live stream. So Edge, if you're seeing this, Friday night, 8 o'clock, we'll open what you sent, and we'll see if I get it right. As usual, appreciate you guys watching. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't before, and we'll see you next time on the web. Have a good day. Bye.